To order an FSB lock set, you will need to complete an ordering string that has been designed to help build your FSB lock. Each lock set has a basic structure that is clearly outlined at the beginning of each section in the FSB catalog and in the beginning of the FSB price book. Once you have all the details needed to build your lock, simply arrange those details in the proper order and FSB can build your lock set. Let's build our FSB lock set. Step 1. Choose lock type and latch type. FSB offers a wide range of locks including mortise, tubular latches and deadbolts, sliding door locks, and glass door locks. We also offer trim sets for multi-point and lift and slide locks. We will be building a standard mortise lock. Standard mortise lock code is SML. Step 2. Choose lock function. Each lock type has a host of functions available that are outlined and described in detail within each section of the catalog. The SML, for example, has over 20 functions to choose from based on your application and lock requirements. We will choose a privacy function typically used for bathrooms and bedrooms. This mortise lock function allows latch bolt by handle on either side, the deadbolt by Thumbturn on the inside, and emergency key on the outside. Privacy function is E. Step 3. Choose lever or knob design. There are dozens of FSB levers and knobs to choose from each lock type, and a full list is available at the beginning of each lock section within the catalog. Additionally, the catalog features a dedicated page to each lever that includes designer history, dimensions, and available materials and finishes. We will choose lever 1076. The 1076 lever code is 1076. Step 4. Choose trim set. The lock trim is the plate that sits on the door. You can choose between a round, square, oval, or flush rose, as well as a rectangular escutcheon. Not all trim sets are available for all functions, backsets, and lock types. Details are provided on the lock function page within each lock set section of the FSB catalog that clearly outlines your options. The 55mm round rose is RA. Step 5. Choose Thumbturn and Indicator. Depending on your lock function, you may need to choose a thumbturn, which is used to operate the lock and/or an indicator. This is only necessary with deadbolt functions, and these details will be listed in each specifying section within the FSB catalog. For our example, we will choose an ADA thumbturn with an occupancy indicator to let other users know that someone is inside the locked room. The ADA thumbturn with indicator is designated by DI. Step 6. Choose base material and finish. FSB hardware is available in 3 series of door furniture, including Premium, Elements, and Transitions. These series contain 4 base metals and 21 standard finishes. Premium series, which consists of the base metal, stainless steel, and bronze, and the Element series, which consists of aluminum, will always have a 4-digit finish code. The Transition series, whose base metal is brass, will use a 3-digit code. We will choose stainless steel in satin finish for our example. The satin stainless steel finish is 6204. Step 7. Choose backset. Backset is measured from the edge of the door along the face to the center line of the lock spindle. Each lock series comes with a standard backset. There is also special order backsets available listed at the beginning of each lock section of the catalog. We will choose SML standard backset of 2 3/4. The standard 2 3/4 backset code is 234. Step 8. Choose strike. The strike plate is a piece of metal that attaches to the door frame to accept the latch bolt and/or deadbolt to secure the opening. The strike comes in a standard or optional sizes depending on your door and frame conditions. There is a matrix found in the options pages at the beginning of each lock section that outlines the dimensional information for the strikes. We will choose the SML standard M1 strike. The M1 strike code is M1. Step 9. Choose handing. A door can be handed in several ways. To determine the hand of the door, view the door from the outside, security side, or key side of the door. Then identify which side of the door the hinges are located. If you push the door open to swing away from you, then the door would be either left-handed if the hinges are on the left, or right-handed if the hinges are on the right. If you pull the door open to swing towards you, then the door is considered a reverse swing door. It would be either left-hand reverse if the hinges are on the left, or right-hand reverse if the hinges are on the right. We will choose a right-handed door. The right-handed code is RH. Step 10. Choose door thickness. Each lock comes set for a standard door thickness and a limited amount of special order thicknesses that are listed at the beginning of each lock section of the catalog. We will choose the SML standard door thickness of 1 3/4. The standard 1 3/4 door thickness code is 134. Our completed ordering string is SML E 1076 RA DI 6204 234 M1 RH 134. Step 11. Add any special options. This step may or may not be necessary depending on if you have additional options to your lock that need to be added to the end of the FSB ordering string. Available options for each lock type are listed in the price book and at the beginning of each lock section of the catalog. The necessary option codes are described and must be added to the end of your string, but the order of the options is not important. Here are two examples. We will add less cylinder option, designated as LC, and list as a suffix to our already completed standard FSB ordering string. The second example is more complex and uses several options. In this example, we have ordered an electrified storeroom fail secure mortise lock. This function is designated as JEU and also does not have a deadbolt, so will not require a Thumbturn or indicator option. However, electrified locks do require you specify current, either 12 or 24 volts. We have also chosen to include a request to exit switch, which is designated as RX. If you have additional questions, you can contact your local FSB sales rep. For a list of local representatives, visit the website at fsbna.com.